Okay, so the event is really big. The theme is really nice, different from any of the theme we have done before. It's really new for Express this time, and yeah, it's about IPL. It's about cricket. Everybody are gonna like it, of course. It is a new experience for all of us. Juniors are very nice. Everybody is working, so really glad.
This is going to go on a bigger scale than the last one.
Of course, yes, no doubt. My juniors this time are absolutely amazing. All departments are working very hard, very nicely. They are, of course, gonna do well, and no doubt we are gonna go better than last time. A moment from my tenure that I mean, of course, this was the time when we actually lifted the Express flag for the first time. First time Express had its own flag. And yeah, again, we have double the prize pool than last event, and again, everybody is just working too good, and it's going too nice. But yeah, that's it. Every moment is too special for me this time.
Okay, so would you encourage people to join this event?
Obviously, people should join this event. I mean, you have to join for free, but you are, of course, going to get money if you win. But yeah, so it's gonna be really fun. Everybody's gonna enjoy.
How are you feeling as we are closer to every event? Confident, nervous, or a bit of both?
हो जाएगा. See, I'll tell you why we are confident. We have zero faith in the kids.
Same. We're not trusting
Zero faith. But हमारे heads पे हम काम छोड़ के आराम से सो सकते हैं.
Yeah, we
वो तो हम हम काम गए तो heads. ठीक है, तुम तो सीखोगे जब सीखोगे.
You will learn in the first event, so we don't expect
Goated
a
heads.
lot.
Goated heads.
Yeah, we do not expect a lot,
हाँ.
but we have like great heads. हमारे जो है, तो
हाँ.
they'll handle it.
हम कर लेंगे इवेंट तुम्हारे.
Trust the process.
Yeah, we trust our heads.
Okay. you
हाँ,
trust
to be
your-
very
Yeah.
specific. हाँ.
Yeah. And another one is how is the preparation of this event going compared to the last event that you guys did in your tenure?
Done.
I think it's better because now we get to know. See, पहले we did not know कि कैसे इवेंट बन रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. Because first event में उतना हमने नहीं किया था. मार्केटिंग वाले वो सब बिजी विद देयर ओन डिपार्टमेंट वर्क और सब डिपार्टमेंट अपना कर रहे थे. ये बार हमने एज अ कोर जब देखा तो हमें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि हाँ, ये इवेंट में बहुत कुछ ही अच्छा चल रहा है.
अरे बट ब्रो भाई सच अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव है अपर को. भाई सब पता चलता है. सब अच्छी बात है, बुरी बात है. Good.
This event will go great.
Yes.
It will. No hopes. It will.
Touch wood.
No hopes.
Let's go.
It's my own remorse.
So hi guys, how has the promotional campaign? Let's start again.
Yeah, continue.
हर एक लाख का तो जरूरत नहीं होती, but
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello. How has the promotional campaign been going for this event? Are you guys happy with the responses so far?
मतलब पोस्टर चिपकाया ही है, कुछ मैसेज फॉरवर्ड नहीं हुआ, C2C नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ.
It's
But
not
still
started
Reggie आ
yet. Yeah.
Still Reggie आ रहा है.
The
EPL.
Explore has done something crazy and we had done something crazy. तो बिना प्रमोशन करे रजीज आ रहे, तो सोचो प्रमोशन करेंगे तो I don't know what will happen, but it's going to be a crazy event. Yeah.
Do you guys
That's it.
think that the scale of this event is going to be larger than the previous one?
Definitely.
We are expecting
Price
a few
will be double.
Reggies, yeah.
16K. 1 plus 6. Thala.
Thala? This is 6-7 now.
6-7. 1 plus 6, 6, 7.
7. Thala for a
Continue,
reason,
continue.
yeah.
Okay, and how is this tenure compared to your tenure last year?
मतलब ठीक
It's
है.
different, for sure.
झगड़े करने वाली कोई नहीं है.
हाँ. No comments.
Okay, well, we're looking forward to you guys' work and best of luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart,
the snow cone, so small. She's been living in her uptown world. I bet she never had a backstreet guy. I bet her mama never told her why. I'm gonna try for her uptown girl. She's been living in her white bread world as long as anyone with hot blood can. And now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. And when she knows what she wants from her time, and when she wakes up and makes
First day of creatives for the event going?
Pretty good. I think we just started. My associates are rocking everything they do. I love it. I love them.
I love them. We love them.
Yeah, we love them.
We love our associates.
We love our associates.
See, they're working.
They are really hardworking, and I think they are really ideating it good.
All right. And how is it as compared to the first day of your tenure? Like, what did you do as
I don't
associate?
remember my first day. Actually, I was like, I brought all my stationery from home, and then we were like
Sketch
really
pens,
dedicated.
paint
Actually,
brushes.
yeah. But no, like everybody was not bonded itna jitna they
Yeah,
are
look
right
at-
now. So I'm really proud of them.
No, I mean they also got
Because
the
it's
time to
us-
talk to each other during IDPT creatives.
Yeah.
So fair.
We made sure they talked. They had like good time together.
she'll see I'm not so tough. Just be. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there were winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
अगर मुझसे नहीं हो रहा फिर मैं करूँगा. शिफ्ट होना अदर
वो मारने वाला भी रिकॉर्ड हुआ है.
Talking away, I don't know what to say. I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'm coming for your love, okay? Take on me, take on me, take me.
How long has this event been in the works, and what has the planning looked like?
The event. बोलना तू भी.
हाँ तुम ऐसे स्पॉट पे मत रखो तो पैनिक हो जाता.
We've started planning for the event since
Past 1 month.
past 1 month, yes, and the planning has been, well, it's like an upward slope. It's a steep slope, but it's an upward slope. They're trying their best to work.
I'm trying my best to work with my core. They're trying their best to work with us, my associates. So I hope it goes well.
Anything?
It's all good. The associates are very hardworking and hopefully we'll pull off a great event.
She loves her co-head.
Yes, love her.
Yes.
How is this event planning compared to your tenures? Like when you were the associate?
They are more hardworking than us.
Yes, I hate to say it, but my associates are more hardworking than my tenures.
They show up for offline meets.
अबे वो लोग देखेंगे ना ये? Okay, yeah, but I'm really proud of the way that it's going. हाँ हम करते थे, हम तो आते थे,
लेट आते थे.
सब
अटेंडेंस सिर्फ मिलती थी तो इसलिए आते थे.
नहीं भाई मैं आती थी, हम आते थे, सब आते थे, but my associates take more initiative. I am proud of that. I picked the right people.
So this FE is more nicer than yours.
No comments. No comments.
Hardworking.
Maybe a little more hardworking, yes.
Let's go.
अरे भाई कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछो. सेम क्या, आउटरीच का क्वेश्चन अलग ही होता है एकदम. थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ एक्सप्रेस का झंडा वेंडा लेके जाओ. ये एक्सप्रेस का झंडा अलाउ नहीं कर रहा बस लेके जाने में. ठीक है, अभी अगली बार से एक्सप्रेस का झंडा लेके जाऊंगा मैं.
हमारा रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना था?
वो अगर अभी थोड़ा जहर खाने के पैसे बचे नहीं है तो ओवरऑल अभी तक इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना? अरे ट्रेजरर,
हाँ बता.
आउटरीच का इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना हुआ अभी तक?
इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है इनका अब तक?
2,500 का इन्वेस्टमेंट.
संक कॉस्ट संक. अरे नहीं, उस पे इनका भी है जो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं हमारे.
और रिटर्न कितना आया अभी तक?
हाँ, कोई तो ट्रेजरर दिखे. एक ये साल का ट्रेजर दिखे तो सही.
वो जरा हम जो अवार्ड जीते हैं ना, वो अवार्ड में पैसे नहीं थे, बस हम बस दिल जीत के आए. एक्सप्रेस बस दिल जीत के आए. पैसे फिर कभी देखेंगे हम. पैसे के लिए मार्केटिंग है ना.
हाँ क्या?
इसके लिए मार्केटिंग रखा है.
इधर मोहित के बुलाओ. अरे उधर देखना, वो बोल रहा है तो. अरे
हम ज्यादा मेहनती थे.
हाँ?
हम ज्यादा काम करते थे मार्केटिंग में.
होम का
स्नैक्स ट्रॉमा. नो कमेंट्स.
साक्षी को बुलाओ भाई.
ओके, तो ओवरऑल आउटरीच का काम ही इसलिए दिल जीत के लाना, तो हम दिल जीत के लाते हैं.
बस.
अरे हाँ, वो मतलब नहीं, कल टूटा बस, ट्रॉफी नहीं मिला बस मेरे को. बट ठीक है,
आया सर्टिफिकेट तो लाया.
सर्टिफिकेट आया.
और एक स्पेशल मेंशन लेके
स्पेशल मेंशन ही आ रहा है बस. वो बेच के पैसे. अरे वो
क्यों नहीं दे रहे?
मेरे को बोल, मैं बात करता हूँ. नाम बोल उसका. मेरे को भी बेच, मैं बात करके देखता हूँ. अरे डिपेंड ऑन द पर्सन. नहीं, मैंने ओवरऑल बस ठीक है. और सवाल पूछो यार तुम लोग. अभी हम ये पैसे क्यों दे रहे हैं? डॉल्बी चल रहा है एकदम.
पता मेरे को.
क्वालिटी फुटेज
पता.
अपना प्रोडक्शन किसी से कम है.
मैंने जो बोला मैंने सोच समझ के बोला.
मेरा नाम जा रहा है कोई तो जगह, दूसरी जगह पे. मेरा जो भी सब अनसेंसर्ड है, तो तुम
अबे अपने को थर्ड फ्लोर पे लेके भी जाना है सर.
कैसे साइनिंग करोगे?
Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. So, how is the technical setup of Express coming so far?
So we have our website ready. All the monthly updates of Expresso is being put on the website, and our associates are working very hard to learn new things every day.
And it's still under development. थोड़ा रुक जाना. Don't find bugs and send us. हम लोग कर रहे हैं fix धीरे धीरे. Everything's gonna be fixed. And ये event की website देखते हैं हम दोनों ही बनाएंगे mostly. क्योंकि अब तक हम उनको सिखाना बाकी है. So yeah, that's it.
So, can we expect something really excellent coming from you guys?
From her, yes. From me, not.
No, we will
Now,
definitely.
we're coming really close to the event. How is the prep doing so far compared to your tenure?
So in our tenure, honestly, by the time the first event came, we only knew HTML and CSS, right?
Yeah.
So compared to that, our associates are ahead quite a bit.
They are learning React, which is a very intermediate thing. So we were very like newbies to all these web development things, but abhi they are doing nice, yeah. So we expect a second event that they get a very good hands-on experience on website building, and event की अच्छी website आएगी.
Yes, and I'm really looking forward to what you guys come up with. So much.
Thank you.
रेडी रेडी उड़ा आउट 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 आउट
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. When the distance started back on my feet, just a man who was built to survive. So many times it happens too fast.
So as you people know, I'm Ranjit Puyar, the faculty coordinator of this DJs Express. And I welcome you all people, all the participants for the first event organized by this core committee for the people and speak. And DJs Express, in its very small ways, try to provide a platform to the people who really want to express themselves but do not have that courage. You're doing it on a very funny side where you can use your wit, you can use your creativity, where there will be a lot of twists when you do the commentary and all that stuff. So I really appreciate the efforts taken by this DJs Express Core Committee to organize this, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.
Engine roaring, dust behind me. Left a step town, no one's gonna find me. Burning rubber on an asphalt street. Nothing left here, just the road and me. The devil's laughing, I don't care. Wind is howling through my hair. Riding into darkness. Riding into night, chasing down the thunder, living for a fight. Riding into darkness, got no chains to break. This is my damnation, and I love to take. और ये क्या? Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy. Young man, there's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're sure you don't, you can stay there. And I'm sure you will find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. सारे बच्चे लोग एक ही हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट की छुट्टी। She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I stay too long, I'd probably break down and cry.
हमारे पास है अभी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। जैसे क्रिकेट में एक सुपर ओवर होता है, वैसे वी हैव वन सुपर ओवर एंड लेट्स अनाउंस। सो देयर आर टू टीम्स जिसके पॉइंट्स एग्जैक्टली सेम है एंड उनके बीच में फॉर द विनिंग प्राइज होगा सुपर ओवर। कौन सा प्राइस होगा हम नहीं बोलने वाले, बट दे आर इन द टॉप 3. सो लेट्स अनाउंस.
Okay guys, शांति शांति शांति. The two teams जिनका परफॉर्मेंस इतना क्लोज था कि हमें सुपर ओवर करना पड़ रहा है are first team is attendance farmers. Second team is Monster Paglu.
So, guys, we have one more round of debate. And yes, please come forward. We give you the debate topic.
RCB focuses more on brand than performance.
RCB is not a team that focuses on brand. It's just a brand that occasionally plays it. There is star power over visibility over it. That I think is brand that is just a brand.
आज का लास्ट वाला डिबेट सुपर ओवर वाज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. क्या गेस है किस पोजीशन के लिए गया होगा सुपर ओवर? सेकंड थर्ड फर्स्ट थर्ड फोर्थ
First.
सेकंड
First.
थर्ड पोजीशन goes to Monster Paglus.
About the things we've gone through.
Congratulations, guys. So let's move to the second place. So the second place goes to Team Cocomelon.
Winner takes it all. The loser standing small beside the victory. Thinking I belong there, I figured it made sense. Building me a fence.
And there are other first year students out here. You know, in the first year itself, if you show so much of involvement and enthusiasm in handling various committee activities, etc., that's the foundation you're building for your future leadership role.
The gods make roll with dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here.
I just want you all to know how much big of a competition this was. So this is one of the most prestigious film competition in Mumbai, held by Father Agnew College, and there were more than 70 teams from film schools and film schools of Mumbai. Mumbai is a hub for filmmaking, and 700 people, 17 teams, and we are now shortlisted in top 10. And right now, as we were seeing the movie, it has been screening over there in the Bandra college, and I think in half an hour we'll get the results. I just want to thank my team. This was 75 hours competition and we barely slept in that. We slept I think 6 hours for that. And 75 hours with me. We worked so hard and I think we are proud of the result.
We all know she loves you.
If it makes you feel sad, and I understand,
So you walked it
you've
out.
come to shake my hand. I apologize
Given that you walk away from this,
if it makes you feel bad. Seems
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman.